The implied warranty of habitability is a guarantee read into every residential lease, whether or not the lease mentions it, that the landlord will deliver and maintain a home that is safe, sanitary, and fit to live in. It is implied because it does not depend on anyone writing it down, and in most states, a lease clause trying to waive it is simply void. That is what separates it from an ordinary contractual promise the parties could bargain away. What it really does is make rent conditional. Before the warranty was recognized, a lease was treated as a conveyance of land. You owed the rent, whether or not the roof leaked. The warranty tied the duty to pay rent to the duty to maintain the premises, and it is the doctrine behind every remedy you have heard of: repair and deduct, rent withholding, escrow, and termination for uninhabitable conditions. The core is consistent nationwide: weather-tight structure, roof and windows, working plumbing with hot and cold water, safe electrical wiring, heat in season, freedom from serious pest infestation, working smoke and carbon monoxide alarms, and compliance with the local housing code. What it does not cover: worn carpet, dated fittings, a cosmetic crack, or damage you or your guests caused. And here's the part that trips people up. In almost every state, the landlord's duty is triggered by notice of the defect and a reasonable opportunity to fix it. A tenant who withholds rent before giving proper written notice usually forfeits the remedy and can end up facing an eviction they would otherwise have defended successfully. Every figure in this video comes from our state-by-state comparison at tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com, where you can open your own state and read the statute it comes from. If this saved you a phone call, hit like and subscribe. We publish one of these for every landlord-tenant rule that varies by state.